Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Facebook not working problem on Android and iPhone. If your Facebook app is not opening, keeps crashing, loading slowly, or showing errors, follow these simple steps to solve the issue. Click on Storage. Now clear caching data. Make sure all permission is enabled. Now open Play Store and update Facebook to the latest version. At last, try to log in Facebook and see your problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching.